Hello and welcome to our comprehensive review of Descript AI. If you've ever wondered how to leverage this powerful tool to make money, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The link to Descript is in the description. Descript is not just another editing software. It's a game changer for content creators, podcasters, and video producers alike. But the big question is, how can you monetize your skills with Descript AI? Let's break it down. First off, Descript's standout features include its transcription capabilities, overdub technology, and seamless audio and video editing tools. These features alone open up a plethora of opportunities for monetization. Podcast editing services. With Descript, editing podcasts become a breeze. You can offer professional podcast editing services, leveraging Descript's powerful editing and transcription features. This is a hot market right now, with more podcasts popping up every day. YouTube video production. YouTube creators are always in need of efficient editing solutions. Descript's easy-to-use video editing tools allow you to offer video editing services tailored specifically for YouTubers. Content repurposing. Descript's transcription and overdub features make it simple to repurpose audio content into blogs, social media posts, or even ebooks. This is a great way to help creators extend the reach and lifespan of their content. Voiceover services. Thanks to the overdub feature, you can create realistic voiceovers for various projects. This tool can be a goldmine for creating voiceovers for commercials, audiobooks, and e-learning content. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any tool, Descript has its limitations. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, and the overdub feature, while impressive, may not suit every voice style or inflection perfectly. Thank you for watching.